Man, I think I need to stop drinking coffee or any sort of caffeine for like a month. I just get so tired after lunch, and I don't think it's me working out. I think I'm just over caffeinated in the morning. But I love caffeine. I just send a message really quick, and actually have a little bit more, a few more messages to send. Hello, Nammers, welcome. Just gotta switch this really quick so I'm not typing with my neck all crooked. Sorry, everyone, just doing some responses on Discord really quick. Since you're here, Namrus, I'm going to type this out, but unfortunately for shape keys, they do not work with modifiers. I went over this a little bit in class, but it's a little hard to appreciate till you encounter it yourself. But Blender will just straight up get rid of your modifiers. Will get rid of your shape keys in favor of modifiers. But it's apparently a complicated process to subdivide or do any sort of modifiers on a mesh that has shape keys. So that's kind of it's not unsolved, but Blender has yet to implement anything to work with that. So they will just straight up just get rid of your shape keys, apply the modifiers, and send it out. So you have to apply your modifiers. You shouldn't need to auto smooth. That shouldn't really make too much of a difference. It's mostly the modifiers interfering with the shape keys, or vice versa. Really didn't think it when all I had was triangulate modifier. Gotcha. Even that, unfortunately. There's a few exceptions, the data transfer modifiers, as long as it's not editing the mesh geometry, like adding cuts or anything, but you can technically get away with it with a like a normal transfer or something like that. That'll be fine. But one nice thing about AutoRig Pro is that you can export a mesh with shape keys and with modifiers. So that is one of the other reasons I was so keen on using it, because that is apparently I don't think it should be a big deal, but I have found very few solutions other than AutoRig Pro that allow for that. All right, we're going to make a little world. Hello, bro. Welcome. Do you know if there's any way at all to name a keyframe? You can make a script. So I have my shape key baker here. And so I made a little script in order to do this. And that was really the only way I could find. I think you could also, was that the only way? Pretty much. It just, you just have to rename it every time. So I just automated that part of it. So anytime it made a shape key, it also pulled from that list to change the name of that shape key. Excuse me. We're gonna do something like this. So we're gonna go client work. I guess classes actually. Classes, and we'll do branding. Do a new project in here called Sam Better University. Okay, save that. All right. This is generally how tall I am. I usually use this as a reference point for my objects. So we're gonna make a, oh, I feel so burpy. I'm gonna make a cube. And we'll call this what will we call this? All. And I'm so tempted to make such a really detailed world, but I got to keep it simple. You know what? I'm gonna not start with that. I'm gonna start with the stage. So make a cube. I think that works. Let's stage. All right. Something like this. Okay. And then we'll make a kind of a backdrop. Something like that. Go. And then we'll make a curtain. Hello, Ariso. Welcome back. All right. And then we'll subdivide, mesh, do a a pin. Do anything. I need to squish this while this is simulating. How do I do that? What's the best way to do that? I guess I could take out the pin on a few of these. So if I take this, we do check our deselect. That, and then remove them from the pin. Then when we play, they'll shrink. Not by much, though. um, Here we go. Cool. I'm going to duplicate this. Mesh this one. Move it over. Okay. That'll be my curtain maker. Making curtains isn't that bad. Oh, I like this. Makes me feel happy. All right, let's make a little podium. All right, podiums look a bit more like this. Gonna be so fun. I think so. Control Alt. Oh, that's not quite what I wanted. Control Alt S. What's it again? Shift Control Alt S. X, Y, Z. I do that. I don't have to do that. I can just take this edge and move it up, making that overly complicated. I do that well. Overly complicated. My usual MO. I think right about. Okay. And maybe a little bit too big. This is a single person. Let's go ahead and kind of scale it down a little. Do the whole thing. Okay, next, I'd like to make those hanging banners. So what I'll do is hide this. No. How does it work? It looks more reasonable. Okay. I need a plane. I need to put that plane here. This plane goes there. We're going to rotate it this way. Then we're going to grow it by 2, cut it in the middle, subdivide the ever-living shit out of it. Right about there. Then we're going to take this side. We're going to do check or deselect. How many are there? There's 16 edges. 2, 3, 3, 3. Perfect. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. This will be my group, pin, and assign. Okay. Now our object here. Delete the keyframes on. Hide our original mesh. Now we're going to make a new one. Oh. In pose mode. What we'll do is shrink it down and shrink it in. I really could just shrink it like that. All right, and then we can parent it here. Armature. Cool. Then hide, slap on the cloth, cloth preset silk, pin. Not quite what I was hoping for. That's okay. So instead of shrinking it all together, we will only shrink it on the Z. Your tip yesterday helped so much, I was able to fix all my ears. What's still cool though? Hey, that's good to hear. I'm happy to hear that. Oh, hello, Riso. Oh, no, I said hi already, but hello again. Sorry, a little spacey right now. Trying to make a little banner. Hello again. We'll do one more subdivision here. Yeah. That's looking pretty good. But they do kind of have this sweeping look. What would be the best way to do that? That's just to show you what I'm looking at. These banners up here. Not banners, cloth. I'd love to do that. how exactly to do that. I think we just need to adjust the mesh here. So we'll put our cursor. No, we can just do this. Do O, linear, push it in like that. Push it out like this. That's probably good enough. Almost. This time we'll do sharp and just move them up. That. Almost. Now this scaling won't work because it scales on the Z. Now it needs to scale this way. Or not at all. A minute. Well, shit. It's not what I wanted. Feeling anxious. There's a commission of VRC traders for making clothes for our furry avatar, but I don't know if I should try to take it. It is under $100. I would say that's too low, in my opinion. Oh, do I need this armature? Can I just use shape key? Interesting. This is not at all what I want, though. I was getting much better success before I rotated it so much. Okay, let's redo this. Instead of doing that, we're going to make a circle. We're going to extrude it inwards. This. We don't want a full edge, we just want something like this. We want to cut it. We want to put our cursor here. Flip the normals. Again, my advice usually for commissions is if you could make more money working at a coffee shop than taking on a commission, it's worth your time to work at that coffee shop instead. And that's not trying to, I just mean that maybe that comes out a little bit wrong, but for me, I just worked myself to death for jobs that weren't actually slave wages. Like if you work anything over Like say you want to work $10 an hour, anything over $10 an hour, you're working for a smaller and smaller rate. So it's like, oh, I want to work for $10 an hour. The budget is $100. So that commission should be 10 hours maximum. If you feel confident that you can do that work in the time where it would literally be worth your time, then that's worth it. But if you take $100 commission and it takes you 2 40-hour weeks, what's $100 divided by 80 hours, right? You're working for $1.25 an hour. So that's my logic there. I think sometimes that sounds kind of aggressive, but I really just mean it from the perspective of if you know how much you should be making an hour, or how much you want to make an hour. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions about that, because I'd be happy to discuss commissions. Yeah, I mean, I remember spending way too long, and it does depend on where you live too. If you can afford a good quality of life on a wage, depending on whatever wage you have, then I don't like it. Just depends on your living expenses, right? What is your cost of living where you live? Like you might be able, depending on where you are, that might actually be quite affordable. But if where you live you need to pay, let's say, $1,000 USD just in rent per month, then you would be taking away from your ability to literally survive. Working should be putting food on your table. Otherwise, you're literally paying your customer for working for them. Exactly. You're working at such a steep discount that they come out ahead. And people, it does depend. And I maybe you could do multiple commissions at once, like and things like that, or there might be a balance there. But you just got to be careful. You got to put your health first. That is the important part. Like, no matter what, your health should be your biggest priority, because you can't. People always say, "Oh, time is the most valuable resource." I totally disagree with that. I think health is your most valuable resource, because you can have unlimited time, and if you don't have the health, you actually can't do anything with that time. That's just how it works. Overworking yourself is a bad idea. I learned that the bad way, unfortunately. Same. And that just comes with experience. But yeah. I feel like it should be shrinking more. We all learn it the hard way. We do. Yeah, that's the artist way, the hard way. That should be shrinking more. What the heck? It must be the subdivision. Let's apply the subdivision. Yeah, just made the pin too strong. Let's remove everything. Check or deselect. Sure, I'm not going to be too picky here. Or I should have gone the other way. Why is this gap bigger here than over here? That shouldn't be how it works. Oh my god. Okay, we'll be a little bit faster with this by doing a mirror. I just want to make sure it's even on both sides. Boom, 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 boom. Side. That's too much. Too much. Is there another armature here? What's going on? Maybe I actually need to pin this. Nope. Man, I had it so good earlier. Now it's not working. Okay. I think what I need. Why? This checkered deselect is bullshit. Why is it so bad now? It's just skipping oddly. Why are these two so close together? Okay. Time to mix food. Have a nice rest of your day. Same to you, Arctic. Enjoy your day. Enjoy it. Oh, just a heads up, I will not be streaming tomorrow because it's 4th of July here. It's a national holiday. Is it a holiday? I'm gonna take it like a holiday. I'm pretty sure it's a holiday. Close enough. There we go. And sign parent. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. If I can't do this after this, I just have to stop, move on to the next one. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more to the sides, and we're good. Or oh, that's what it is. What I need to do is, yeah, I do need to scale it on the Z. Right? That makes total sense. I have to delete the cache now. 20 frames. Big. That's way more than 20 frames. Really big. Delete. 100. Big. Okay, too squished. Still too strong. And I'm like barely touching it too. That's right. We know what it is? It's the positioning. If I moved this down here, I might behave a little bit better. What if I that, and then 110. Let's see, right? Maybe I'm not, it's not going to 0 anymore. Okay, I can't stretch it out. I can squish it, but I can't stretch it out. Almost there, almost there. Yeah, cloth sim, funny stuff. That's garbage. That does look better. Just turning up the quality presets helps a ton. I think I know now what I should have done. I should have just done it vertically, squished to the sides, and then just modeled it on a curve. That would have done exactly what I wanted it to. So we'll do that. Take this, make a plane. Delete half. Add a mirror. Parent this. Sign. Add the cloth. And then adjust the animation. So you do the bake. It'll probably still droop a little bit. All right, that looks good. Duplicate it. Take this one, mesh it, unparent it. Okay, make a curve, Bezier, set 0, curve. And then take this, hit it with the modifier, deform, curve, 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 curve. Yeah. And the curve itself. Do this. Awesome. Pretty. It's that easy, y'all. It's that easy. It took so long. All right. So simple. Just so simple. My students deserve the best. The best curtains. Those look quite nice, though. Oh, there we go. I should not have just popped my neck, but I did. Because I'm a fool. Unlock third-person camera. You joke, but we do have high standards around here. That's true. I think we do. I think we do. Johnny. All right, beautiful. I do think that looks quite nice. I keep saying that, but I do think so. And Safari has a surprisingly few amount of vertices. Or less than most avatars still. Your own Abby, you should make a full body front and back PNG of yourself. Just make the top half of your head move when you talk. I may. Let's see. We still got a few hours left for this, so. We have time? I will. I'll probably use the Mr. Poop body and then just put my PNG head on there. Yeah, okay, that's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. You move this around a little. Give it a little bit of space. Okay. Now that's probably all we need for the curtains. Let's do a little bit of texturing on the stage. Truly giving it the academia vibe here. Good. We're gonna have, I need to figure out how to do. Okay, we'll do one more banner. So what I'll do is go back to layout here. Take this guy and S.8. It's X.8. Let's see. 0.8. Perfect. Just a little bit less bending. Take this, duplicate, take this one, mesh it, clear the parent, and we'll take another curve, duplicate, call this one curtain curve 1, curtain curve 2. This one will be banner curve. And right here. Banner curve. Banner. And we'll just add a smooth. Something like that. This one will be banner. Do the editing. Cool. Got it. Selected these. Give me these ones. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's probably good for the curve, I would say. Or the curtains. All right, now we're gonna do this bottom here. Perfect. Not quite as enticing. I want a floorboard. Beautiful. A little dark. There we go. Perfection. Ah, that actually does really look like it. Amazing. And then for this, we're just gonna go with the same few materials we already have. Now for the banner though, now we just need over the top animation PowerPoint screen in the background, maybe some fireworks and a smoke machine. We should have some balloons. We need balloons. All right. Um, I have to pick class colors. Yeah, see, perfect. Perfect. You got these weird balloon stands. It's exactly what I need. Like a balloon cylinder. Perfect. Why are they offset? Because the balloon is offset. I don't understand. Instance on points. Why is it? Oh, I moved the cylinder back. There we go. Fuck yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. Do do red, then on the cylinder. I have to do pick instance. How easy would it be to have multiple camera shots of the stage on big screens? Not too bad. I may not have time for that today, but it's a relatively easy setup in Unity. Let's forget how to align the rotation. Geo node instance on points align row. Align Euler to vector. what I want. Right there. Looks a little weird. I'll have to mesh those a little bit later to balloon stands. Oh, fucking cool. All right. That's dope. Just need to pick some better colors and good to go. This looks awesome. I'm actually really pleased with this. Oop, came out weird. We'll see if GeoNodes was the way to go once I'm trying to import it. Those balloons are gigantic, though. Probably need to shrink them. Like we're going to join the digital circus. I mean, VR chat's pretty close to just meeting that exact definition. Hello, Ray. Welcome. We're making a graduation stage for my students. Oh, okay. I gotta do it to him. Gotta do it to him. We're gonna make another. Why did I do that? Make another. Here, Shift A. Mesh. Circle. Can't really get this any closer for some reason. I bought some Quest Pro controllers on sale. I'm loving them so much. Quest Pro controllers. Well, good. I really do not like the Quest 3 controllers. They have turned out to just be kind of garbage, to be honest. It's not bad. It's not bad. We'll have to resist for now, but it is a tempting offer, tempting deal. Okay, I'm actually gonna get rid of that. Okay, getting too complicated. I only got basically an hour and a half left, so let's move quick. All right, so we want a banner. Wait, wanting them for a while, and it was the first time I've seen them on sale. It's amazing how much the price of these kinds of controllers has kept up. I've been stunned, really. Uh, I agree. I agree. It does need a banner. Well, we have a banner. I just need to give it a well texture. If I can fucking click it. Holy crap. Am I going crazy? Why can't I not click that? I actually can't click that. Oh, because it's not. No, I don't understand. Okay. Okay, now I can click it. Normals were the wrong way. Oh. What the fuck is that? Let's see. Gotta make sure the balloons are in the right place. Shame. hmm. Yeah, yeah. Let's move. I'll keep the balloons under the stage. It feels so fragile. All right, let's open up my World Unity project. Beginner class of June 2024. 2024. Hungry eyes. Getting like prom music going through my head. Classic 80s prom music. Come on, Unity. Let's go. Let's go, Unity. That looks good. We need one more thing. Plane. or like a diploma. All right, yeah, we'll do that. I'm gonna make a cylinder instead. I'm gonna take a shower. Sounds good. All right. Does that look like a diploma? No? Too bad. Um, There we go. Diploma. Are you going to leave this world open with the graduating picture in it somewhere? It would be nice to be able to go back and see everyone. That is my hope. I probably won't be able to get all of that set up today, but yes, I would really like that. It helped me kind of get the class out there, and then it'd be cool to just see it build up over time. I'd be very tickled by that. All right, balloons didn't come in. Okay. Three eyes. Default is a way for me to make it a skybox, but I have to cube. And then I can do skybox. Cube map. There we go. All right, and then we'll make this static. I'll fix the heading by going to spot, range, and then 10, 15, do 15. Shadow type, it's fine. Resolution, mode, mixed. Go. Lighting. This is Resonite, you could just build it in game. We definitely could. We definitely could in Resonite. That would be an enticing idea. Maybe we'll get there someday. But for now, we'll give this a shot. We turn it pretty low. Okay. Doesn't seem like it's going to take that long. Are those minutes or seconds? I'm guessing seconds based on how fast it's going down, but now I think it's minutes. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. And we're going to set it even lower. Light mapping is just one of those things that can really slow down everything else. Let's just cancel that really quick. Clear baked data. Go into our environment. Our material. Exposure down. That looks pretty good. We'll leave it there for the moment. Go to our textures. We'll go to that texture folder I had. We'll take our wooden floor, drop it there. Make a new material. Material, wooden floor. Drop that right in here. My FBX, wooden floor. And apply. There we go. Pretty good. Not too much more to do. But the banner is totally gone and the balloons are missing. So let's go back to here. Select the banner. I swear I flipped this twice now. There we go. Now it's facing the right way. The balloons themselves, I think I have to apply. Or no. Yeah. Apply. Does not contain a mesh. GeoNodes. Realize instances. If I do that, can I export them? Perfect. All right. Balloons look nice and shiny. Shiny. And then we'll add in here an empty. No, let's take the prefab. Packages, GeoChat worlds, samples. Where is it again? Is it gone? Yeah. Give me you. Let me log in. That's not it. Add. There we go. Okay, and this is where people will spawn, so we'll move this over here. Need to make sure that our FBX does have colliders. Do I want everything to have a collider? Really everything but the, you know, I might as well be everything. So we'll go to the FBX and just say model, generate colliders. Why? Cool. All right, so everything has a collider. Be able to walk into everything. 402. Okay, let's get that banner made and then the certificate texture. So critter. Ooh, I am moving. I'm booking. And we'll call this SP University textures. Okay. And on layer 1, we'll make a folder. Group layer. Delete that one. Deleted that. Call this one diploma. Okay. And in Blender, we'll do the banner first, actually. UV editing. Just don't want to touch in the edges. Export UV layout. To textures. No, into Krita, actually. And we'll call this banner. Banner O1. All UV is modified. Here. Grab this new layer. Really should be a lot bigger. That's useless. Back to Blender. And when we export it, we'll set it to 2048. Hopefully that will prevent this issue. Perfect. Okay. So obviously this is not the diploma. Banner. We'll say in here, lots of text. Congratulations. Beginner class. Intro class. Go to avatar creation class of June 2024. Save. Save. Close. enter, save, file, export. We're going to export into directly into our project right here. Copy. This will be SD University banner 01 June 2024. I exported a CRITA document. I want to export. Actually, what do you think of that Unity? You don't think anything of that. All right. Make sure it's a PNG. Banner. It's you. Banner. 01 June. Save. Sure. Okay. Now, duplicate this one. Banner 01. Why not? Okay. It's the wrong way. All right. Funny. Blender. Rotate. Shrink this way. Actually, which way is it? Yeah. Export the layout. Once again, overwrite the file. Export this. Go here. Delete the UVs. Delete the file. Drag it back in. New file. Good. Save. Export. Okay. Cool. The reason it's doing this is because it's mirrored. So we need to put the view right in the middle. The cursor, I mean. Right in the middle. 1, 6, 6, like that, and then hit. Oh no, that's not it at all. There we go. Close enough. Truth is, I haven't tried my Avian VR yet. I'm sure it'll be fine. Well, we'll both be winging things. There we go. Okay, let's go here. Take our banner text. Do that. Make it impact. Boom. Save. We'll give it a layer style. A outline. I can read stroke. There we go. Fitting. Not to give myself one. And a drop shadow. Distance, we'll do angle 90. And turn up that distance a little bit more. A little bit more, turn up that spread. Size. Okay. Don't perish before graduation, Mr. Teacher, sir. No guarantees. Hey, it's right on that fucking curve there. Funny. Just a little. Flatten it a little bit. Then so let's go ahead and open here. I'll open this image so I can just know what I'm doing. I'm gonna join. It's just gonna be your body in the middle of the stage, like a fucking Yamcha meme. So it's just the UVs that are really squished there. Like a Skyrim NPC, exactly. It didn't help at all. I will grittify, actually. Grittify. Having some trouble with this. Okay, I gotta live with that. No. No, I actually don't. I know what I should do, so I'm not driving myself insane by trying this again and again. It's by putting the goddamn image on there. See, it does stretch. It does actually stretch. So now if I straighten it, helps a little bit. Still getting a bunch of distortion. So I'm going to straighten one more time. Say gridify. I'm going to take the bottom here and do O. I'm going to kind of squish it, I guess. All right. Okay. I was feeling anxious, almost delved into procrastination, but watching your stream really helped me get out of that loop before it even got started. Thank you, Sam. Absolutely. Absolutely. No, it's okay to do procrastinate every once in a while. But it's good to help each other get out of it sometimes. All right, there we go. Now we got a nice little reflection on there. And it looks good. I like that. Want to be as productive as you? You'll get there. You'll get there. Thank you, Neighbors. It all starts somewhere. Just gotta allow yourself to take your time and um, I mean, it's so inspiring. It's a beautiful way too. Thank you, Risa. It does take time, but as long as you have a healthy habits, you'll get there no matter what. Starting used to work almost 9 hours daily, but I suppose that's where and when I learned not to overwork myself. I think the last time I really, really went balls to the wall working was when I was working for this little VR company. And I worked 14-hour days, no weekends for a month straight, plus commuting 2 hours or more. And I was not the same after that. Genuinely was not the same after that. I don't recommend it. Forget that, yeah. Yeah. That was no bueno. The light map looks weird. It is pretty low res. Surely we can go faster though. Fine. We got 3 more minutes of this render. No, I just find it funny, not in a haha way, but in a cute way, whenever someone speaks my native language. That's more of a Spain accent, but there's I can speak a little bit of Spanish, but it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. All right, while this is working, I am going to go to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. One moment, y'all. I fell in head first. After. Good luck, have fun, don't fall in. Actually learning Japanese. Nice. Oh, thank you, neighbors. Thank you. Is it baked? I can't really tell. It looks really weird right here. What is that? Are there curtains intersecting? No, they're not. There's some good space between them. Maybe it's about to resolve. Oh, okay. Balloons. It's a little rough, though. It is a little rough. Wait, don't I have bakery? I should just use bakery. It's faster. It's a lot faster. You've got plenty of time. Thank you. Thank you. Hour and a half. Did I mess it up by downloading something? Seems stuck on that last thought. Okay. Well, in the meantime, let's create a banner. Or sorry, a diploma. So we made our blank banner. So close this here, turn that off. On our diploma, we'll make the background kind of a cream color. Right there, so. And then we'll do, right. I was gonna make a certificate kind of deal, but now it's actually this, so. Excuse me. Sam, you used to type out what you're just type out what you're going for. For example, instead of scrolling menus, I use a search shortcut in Blender, like space, then type pack ions or auto smooth, whatever it is I need to do quickly. Sometimes it's a kind of hit or miss. Like a lot of times with my quick favorites, I usually can get it in one go, but not all the time. I do think the quick favorites menu is a little bit faster. This. I've never been diagnosed with ADHD, but I have the feeling if I go to a therapist, I might be diagnosed. Not sure if therapist will do that for you. Well, also use the quick favorite menu. I definitely have it. I've never been diagnosed, but there's no doubt in my mind. There's no doubt. Oh, why? I'm in VR chat. Gonna certificate UVs. I really can't even describe the difference in being able to focus outside of when I'm not streaming. I might as well not even work. It's that bad. I just actually have no ability to focus unless there's some sort of structure. I'm very grateful for the stream giving me. Chances are I have it too, given how the neurotypical advice for productivity almost never works for me, but the neurodivergent one usually does work way too well. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay, but we also installed Bakery. So we got to render light map. How much faster is this though? Let's do 1024. Render mode, full lighting, simple. Occlusion Pro. I don't need occlusion right now. Do you want ambient occlusion though? Sure. Yes. Cool. See how this goes. Okay, well that's loading. We'll once again go back to here. Going to take this, get this the fuck out of here. View certificate, certificate, and certificate. I'll export that again. Now we have an actual material. On the here, I should have really done this. And then we'll open up the image, texture, open, textures. I haven't exported it yet, so we'll go here, file, export, SDU, certificate. Oh, okay. All right, which means now I can open it here. Good. Awesome. All right, so now go to Krita. I hate that I can rotate it so easily. It's genuinely silly option. We'll do Do select tool, magic wand here. Control I, invert that selection. No need to invert it. To deselect these. Select expand grow by 4. New layer. Paint bucket, red, boom. Cool. So that's the ribbon. And I think that these other two should also be ribbon, so let's go ahead and select them right now. Boom. Boom. And then turn this off. Good. Oops. Export. What's the hotkey for that? Awesome. Can you export worlds you make in Resonite? Yes, to every way that may be implied. You can export worlds from Blender into Resonite. You can also export worlds from Resonite into Blender. I just noticed your glasses have a huge index refraction, just like my avatar glasses do too. Oh yeah, that looks way better. What the fuck? Look how good that looks. Nice. Nice. That was way faster. Let's go bakery. But we do need a reflection probe. And I think I'll switch up the actual world look though. It's a little dim. A little dim. Borderline ominous. Yeah, it's a little scary. So we'll make a light reflection probe. Go over here, up, right there. That's probably good, actually. There. Just want to make sure I include everything in it. Cool. And now we can render reflection probes. Interesting. That was weird. I wonder why it broke so bad. Civil advanced. Beep on finish. Cool. Why no AO? Oh, there we go. Intensity 0.1, 0.2. And we'll go back here. We're gonna add a few gradients on the ribbon. We'll create a, what's it called? A alpha inheritance. Alpha. I'm an alpha. Oh, wow, that was really fast. Wild. Looks a little weird though. I don't see any ambient occlusion getting big. This is all static, right? Very strong. It looks a little hazy. Just me. I feel like it should be picking up. It does pick up this light. Maybe that's more of the materials and everything, but I don't see any ambient occlusion getting baked. I just turned it up, so we'll render one more time. Okay, leave that there. Back to Krita. We will put these into their own group, and now I think that now it should. Yeah, there it goes. So now we're locking it. Dark. Nope, not locking it. Does this work again? There we go. Oh, I swear I had that on a second ago. Now we can select this here. And then use our gradient as a dark red. Yeah. Something like that. Save. Okay. Blender. I update the wrong thing. No, I made a new one. Delete that. Overwrite that one. Gotcha. That's the exact opposite. Okay. So this, that, right, and then here, this way. That's a little rough, but whatever. Wish it saved the name. All right. Good enough for right now. And lastly, we'll do this guy here. That should have been constrained. Didn't need to worry about that, but it should be constrained. I'd rather have be constrained. That's the wrong way. It's Hello, Kabar. It is going well. We're making some textures for my diploma here. That's good enough. There. Was it not? Baking was not. All right, almost done with the stage. Almost done with the stage. I have a feeling everyone hasn't set their minimum brightness above 0. Is everyone off stage going to be pitch black, Lamel? Hopefully not. They should be directly in a light source. So, oh yeah, but everyone off stage will probably be a little bit darker. Wow, is that the whole light mapping? Yeah, that's just so different. Man, I think it's amazing how awful lighting is compared to Blender. Cool. Boing, boing, boing. Let's see me walk out of the light probe. Perfection. Perfection. All right. Good stuff. Not too bad. And then we'll go back here. Take our certificate, drop it right here. Definitely too big. And inside out. So go ahead and go here, take this, flip it, shrink it by quarter. Export that again. May I ask how many hours you work on average? My battery died until the evening. I'm usually on stream for anywhere between 6 to 8 hours a day. Guess I'm getting old. Me too. Me too. I should be able to make this a pick-upable object by first giving it a box collider. And then making pick up, VRC pickup. Use gravity, no. Does that mean it will be affected? Or I think kinematic means it won't be affected. Pretty sure. All right. It does look a little ominous here. So we'll do one last change, which is to get the environment a little different. I appreciate you. Thank you, Kabar. I appreciate that. You working on any fun projects right now? Oh, tint color. No tint. Maximum normalness. Wow. That is wildly different. Hmm. So it is definitely a little too strong. A 0.75. Reflection probe. Set you to 256. Bake. Okay, that seems more reasonable. One last bakery bake. Render light map. But why isn't my ambient occlusion baking? I would love some ambient occlusion. I just don't see any. Radius 4? I don't know. Am I getting ambient occlusion? Doesn't look baked at all. Looks awesome. Sammy put this together so fast. Thank you, Namers. Thank you. Definitely Speedy Gonzalez right now. Zooming along. Wow, that was fast. Also, wow, very dark. Give me my ambient occlusion. That's way, it's insane how much faster that is than default Unity. All right, I need myself. It looks so ominous. And then that looks, wow. No. Why is it redoing the whole thing? It's annoying. Stop. Okay, so I cannot, I have to do render reflection probes from here. Otherwise it'll reject it. Oh, I hate light baking. Light baking is always so awful. It just does not look right. I don't understand. Maybe I need a restart. open. And I have my billboard avatar, which I will now Shift Control S send into classes, branding, university, Blender. This will be SDU Dean. And we'll go in here, we'll take the billboard. Delete it. Make a graduation cap. Don't deans wear this usually as well? I think so. That's gonna be funny. All right, come back to that in a second. Let's go bakery, utilities, or global shader. Oh, I can't do that. So something is definitely off right now. I don't know exactly what. The ambient occlusion's not baking. And let's see. Bakery AO not baking. Now I need a picture of me. Do I need my glasses are picking up too much light. Let's see. We'll do so. I'll email this to me or put in my drive. I need to shave. mean, it looks good. It's just the reflection sucks so bad. Um, be it. There's no way. It looks garbo. Hmm. Maybe my studio light texture is bad. I mean, it works just fine. My exposure seems fine. Let's just swap this out with the default skybox. Let's make a sky. Okay. So yeah, it's definitely the reflection that's kind of messing things up, but we can get it somewhat better. Okay, there we go. Random sunset world or backdrop. Cool. And I think we can go ahead and pick that up. So save this, go in here. Yay. Didn't quite jump up it. All right, I think that's good for now. For 2 hours, 3 hours of work, pretty good. Now we need to make my dude here. So what we'll do, download my image, literally my image. 2.5 hours for me because I started watching when the stream was at 15 minutes. What the fuck? 3 hours have passed already? Pretty much. Getting there. I usually tend to round up. We'll do blue. Blue for the dean. Then we'll turn off the text here. Drag in our file. Oops. Control T. Put my face right here or so. See if I can select myself pretty well. Stubble. Disgusting. Disgusting. What the fuck? Yeah. I lighten the layers. What did I do? There we go. Soft proofing. We can't see what you're doing. Oh, I forgot. Apologies. Working on my face. All right. Delete. And then what we'll do, we'll go to back to Blender. We'll take the texture. Yeah. Perfect. And then amazing. And then so we'll have a jawbone. Okay. It's beautiful. That's what it's gonna do. No. Amazing. The power of VR chat. Okay. Now we have to go back to Krita. We have to and figure out how to stop this stupid rotation. Bullshit. Dies from peak fiction. All right, that's the plan, y'all. That is the plan right there. Okay. Wow. My brain is on fire right now. All right, so we have the world. Let's upload the world. I think that's we just got to run with this. I'll make it a little bit brighter. Around there. Ah, it's a little sad that the lighting's so shit in Unity. It's maybe one of the best things I've ever seen. Good. I wonder if a just really quick light probe group. I don't know. Let's just see. If I put them here. Yeah, at least right here. And then we'll go bakery, render, save. Whoa. Why would it flip it upside down? Huh. I don't understand that. Never seen that before. God damn it. That's not flipping, just my face. How would it flip it? Oh, there is a mirror. Okay, there is a mirror on the, gotcha, on the body. I have to apply that. Okay. That would explain this too. So. All right. Light probes, I can't see a difference at all. Maybe it's the light. Where's my light? Spot. Mixed. Soft shadows. Do I mix because I want it to work. Okay. Render one more time, save. And in Blender, we're going to take the character, we're going to export. We're going to export into, it's at least closer, but we want to go avatar, CC, avatar, new SDK. Assets. Sam. We will shit. Where do I want to put this? Huh. But the shadow's still that harsh? But it does look baked. Yeah, it looks so scary. That's a little bit better. All right, let's upload it. Builder. We'll call this Sam Better University. Whip. World to celebrate. For classes. From Sam Better University. Sure. Now in Avatar CC, let's open up new SDK, open project. All right, still uploading. Oh, eyeball. Oh my God. So much in my eye right now. There you go. Okay, world has been uploaded. I'm going to publish it just so. All right. Never mind. I can share a link to a public world, right? I'm pretty sure from VR chat. And people can just link in directly. I'm like 90% sure. Oh, a link? Super delayed. Gotcha. Can't see chat. Oh, gotcha. No, you can see it. Okay. Now close the world. Unity. Open to this Unity. We want to go to template. Copy. We have advertising. Oh, I do not need to think this hard about this. We do share an invite link from the web. Remember the VRChat.home it can allow you to get an instant invitation from wherever you are. And I can make a public one, is I suppose my main concern. That anyone can join. What I mean is that that link would let anyone who has the link join. And exported yet. Go here. No, I'm just gonna take the BST file. That's fine. Huh. Lip sync. Jaw flat bone. Jaw. No, I'm gonna undo that. Here. Okay. No eye look, no playable layers, just the jaw. Blend shape. I should be able to go to tools, avatar emulator, somewhere in here. Tools, nav emulator, play. You're going to sleep. I'll put you to sleep. We'll definitely get some good rest. We'll be ending the stream in just a moment. Just a moment. That's perfect. All right. Okay. Anything else? No, let's upload. The issues. Body is exact 1-to-1. 1-to-1. This model will appear in my dream tonight. Little jaws like flapping. Okay. Then we go here. And I can go to Steam. I'm just going to do a quick test and then take a little break, and then we'll do the meetup. Loading. Oh, hopping off for today. Bye, everyone. See you later, Riso. Thank you for hanging out. We'll see you Friday. I will not be streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow is 4th of July, so it will be a little holiday for me. Oh, hello, Corn. It's just about to end. just about then. I had to put together my little graduation cell. Right here. Right here. Hello, hello, hello. It's perfect. It's beautiful. Perfect. Nothing's better than this. Perfect. All right. It's so funny to me. Gotta give the neck fizz bones. Yeah. Should have auto fizz bone for the whole body on a toggle or something. Look, that's funny. Let's see. I can add an empty. And, you've peaked. I'm getting fast though. Damn, I work so quick now. Well, sometimes. Sometimes. Oh, that is laggy. That might be too much. It's genuinely lagging really hard. I will just do like a me. Okay. Fury. When toggle's enabled, that object's on. Options. Shouldn't it be the other way around? Shouldn't it be default off? It should be off by default. Yes, I guess turn on, and then I just have to make sure it's turned off to start with. Okay. Look, turn it on. Oh, because I gave it the wrong object, like a fool. Okay. Now it's working. Perfect. All right. One last upload, and then I gotta get ready. I didn't actually check out the world in VR chat yet. Long day. What a long day. Let's not close anything just yet. Loading. All right, perfect. It is working. All right, so I need to exit this. And I'm going to end the stream. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I got to go do this graduation. But thank you all for hanging out. I hope everyone's having a good Wednesday. Again, I will not be streaming tomorrow. I will be, it's 4th of July, so I'm going to take a little holiday. But I'll be back Friday. So we'll do another stream Friday. We'll continue our work on commission clothing. But thank you, Kabar. And thank you, Cornfather, Namers, Arisa, anyone else out there. Thank you. Thank you all for hanging out. I hope you're all having an amazing day. And again, I'll be back Friday. See you then. Gonna be a good one. Thank you. I will enjoy that day off. See you soon. See you soon, neighbors. Bye, everyone. Bye.